Hello, thank you for taking the time to watch my video. My name is Ali Ameda, I am 21 years old, and I'm from Morocco. I am a fresh graduate from Les Roches Marbella International School of Hotel Management, where I got my bachelor in hotel administration. Speaking about my past experience, I did my first internship in Hotel Arts Barcelona, a Ritz-Carlton hotel, and it was for 6 months. I worked in the rooms division department as a bell captain. And there, I really improved my communication skills, but I also learned how to work under pressure and how to anticipate the guest needs. My second internship was in La Mamounia Hotel in Marrakech, Morocco, a leading hotel of the world, and it was for 5 months. I worked in the financial department where I had to control the account receivable invoices, but also to process the commissions. And I chose to do my internship in that department to better understand how the operations are conducted in that area. At present, I am completing a 3-month internship in Le Dragon d'Or restaurant in Marrakech, Morocco, where I'm working as a dining room supervisor to further upgrade my knowledge in that field. I speak fluent French, English, Spanish, and Arabic, and I am really interested in doing a 12-month internship in your establishment, whether in the rooms division department or the F&B department. But I'm also open for any other option. My past experience really showed me that I'm made to work in the hospitality industry. And I'm also a really devoted and passionate worker. And I think that would be a great asset to your team. Please do not hesitate to contact me if you have any further questions. Thank you.